I'm Addie.
And I'm Kennedy. And this is our
Kidding Around Kids Takeover. Today we're coming at you with two different food turkey crafts. One of them is a healthy turkey and one is a not so healthy turkey. But that's okay because they're both good, so strap in and here we go.
You can eat both of these turkeys while watching the movie Free Birds. The movie is about turkeys who go back in time to take turkeys permanently off the Thanksgiving menu.
It's a very fun movie.
Yes, it is.
These turkey crafts are really good to make while the adult is working on the Thanksgiving meal. While they're making the meal, you could be making the appetizer and the dessert. Here we go.
So, to start out, we are going to be making a fruit turkey. As you can see, we have a big assortment of fruits. Though you don't need this much. You can just take the fruit that's lying around in your house.
So here we have raspberries, grapes of different colors, including up there, blackberries, oranges, kiwi, blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, and you do need a pear. So you don't have to have all of this fruit, but you do need a pear because that is going to be our turkey body. Also, this craft uses knives. They are very sharp, and you should always check with an adult before using these.
And be very, very careful while you are.
I have noticed that a very safe way for me to cut something is to have the fruit, put your hand over, put the knife down, put your hand over it, and then slice down so your fingers are never in the way of the blade. Okay.
Now it is time to cut and place the fruit. Be sure that whenever you are handling food or fruit of any kind, you wash your hands, because you don't want your outside hands to be on people's food.
Just wash your hands in general.
Yes. And so now, using the technique that Addie told us about earlier, put the knife down and then your hands over it, and then cut your fruit, starting with your pear. Well, you don't have to start with your pear. I just find that it's easier. So,
very nice and juicy.
Yes, it is a very juicy pear.
So you're gonna take the side that doesn't have any stem on it, because the stem is not. We do not want to eat the stem. And we're gonna move this, and we're going to put the pear on the plate. Put it at the very bottom of the plate.
Now, you place your fruit all around the turkey to be the turkey feathers. Say you start with blueberries, and you start placing them around to be the feathers that are closest to the turkey.
For some of the bigger fruits, you're going to want to cut them down to size so that they'll easily fit as feathers for the turkey. In this case, I have a strawberry. I've cut off the top first because though the leaves are edible, they're not very good to eat. They're just not tasty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the strawberries into fourths so that they will easily fit on the turkey.
Also, something that you can do with strawberries is once you have cut off the top, you can put the strawberry upside down and cut it from the top, which is, I think, easier. As you see, now we have our strawberry ring. Continue this process of adding extra feathers with all of your fruit or some of your fruit. It doesn't really matter, but just to make your turkey have feathers.
And you don't have to do it blueberries and strawberries or anything. You can just do it like whatever fruit you want.
In whatever order.
we did it.
We have our turkey, and it is so cute.
I bet that your turkey looks awesome too. And so this would be a really good appetizer for Turkey Day.
And, yeah, you can eat it while watching Free Birds. And now, on to the dessert.
Yes, which is going to be yummy, but we can't eat them yet.
No, sadly not yet. Wait until after dinner. Okay, so next we are going to be making this really cute, really sweet, and really tasty donut turkey.
For this craft, you will need the same number of donuts as people who are going to eat at Thanksgiving because you want everyone to have a donut. You will need an assorted color of Fruit Loops, but if you just get the Fruit Loops box, you'll get all the colors. You'll need edible googly eyes that aren't actually googly eyes, but just like candy eyes, and frosting.
And toothpicks.
The way to get the frosting and put it into a piping bag is you take a little bit of frosting, you put it into a Ziploc bag, you push it into the corner of the bag, you twist the bag, and then you cut a little bit of the tip off the bag so that when you squeeze the frosting, a little comes out of the tip.
Also, you don't need very much frosting at all because you're just frosting a tiny little dot under where the eye is going to go.
Okay, here we go. So, to start, you will put your donut onto the platter.
Yes, and you can use very small plates.
The next thing you're going to do is we're going to take your toothpicks and put 5 in each, evenly spaced in the back.
You don't need to have 5, just a number around there.
But 5 gives you the most Fruit Loops. So
that's true. Well, the most toothpicks gives you the most. And I recommend starting at the very back one and then working your way out so that you can make sure that they're all evenly spaced. And also make sure that you stick them in about the same amount. Then, once you're done, there are 2 ways that you can organize your Fruit Loops.
There are multiple ways, but
yes.
Here are the 2 most, patterny ones.
Yes, so you can either have it so that, this feather will be red, and this feather will be orange, and this feather will be yellow, and green, and so on. Or you could do it where the bottom layer is one color, and then the next layer is a different color.
Like our sample.
Yes, like our sample.
Here we go. The next thing to do is you're going to take your delicious frosting and you're going to make 2 little dots in the front of the turkey. And you can also look to the sample where your eyes will go.
And so once you have made the 2 little dots, put your candy eyes on the frosting so that they will stick. Next, you are going to add your little beak and wattle. A wattle is the little red thing that hangs right next to the beak, if you didn't know. So, you are going to take an orange Fruit Loop and a red Fruit Loop. And so, your red one, you are going to carefully break in half.
Not like that.
And you can use the other half of mine because I broke it correctly.
Okay, thank you.
So then you are going to, not in the direct center, but off to the side a little bit, it doesn't matter what side, squish into your donut. And then you're going to take your orange Fruit Loop, which you can break if you want to, or you can keep intact. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to put right next to your wattle, and if your wattle was off to the right a little bit, then you're going to put your beak, yes, thank you, your beak just to the left of it. I can't see.
And we have these beautiful turkey donuts. Thank you for tuning in with us. Like and subscribe below.
This has been our
Kidding Around Kid Takeover.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.
Hi, I'm Addie.
And I'm Kennedy.
And this is our...
No, you can't say this is our.
Hi, I'm Addie.
And I'm Kennedy. And this is our...
I almost said it again. I know I'm the boss. That's it. Hi, I'm Addie.
And I'm Kennedy.
You're terrible at doing this intro.
I'm the boss.
Stop. Hi, I'm Addie.
Oh, sorry. My eyes were closed. I was calming down.
Okay, ready?
Can I cut it?
Can I cut it and you cut it with a food?
No.
Please.
I want to cut it.
Please.
You do the tap, tap, tap.
What? Because I won rock, paper, scissors.
Fine, rock, paper, scissors again. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
No. Why did I fall for that? Oh no, no hiccups, no.
I had hiccups earlier. You good?
No! It's fine. No, it's not, because I can't video. But I have hiccups.
Okay. Bro!
Stop.
I'm trying to scare me!
It doesn't work.
It does sometimes. I have gotten you from around the bathroom door.
I've gotten you many more times.
That is not true. Okay, try. Just try. Okay.
Stop it!
I'm sorry. You're funny. So, now we are going to start cutting and placing the fruit. Be sure that before you handle any food or fruit, or I guess fruit is fruit.
I hiccuped.
It doesn't matter, Addie!
It totally shows.
Doesn't matter if they see
Yes,
them.
it does. Every 5 seconds, yes, it does.
They're just gonna assume. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay. No.
Your
lips are so weird.
What?
You're
What? Me. Okay.
Okay. No, that was way too short of time.
What?
You were like,
Are you not?
be normal, okay?
I am. I swear. I'm being normal.
We will see in the editing room. Okay. Now it's time to cut the fruit. Make sure that...
Now it's time to cut the fruit.
I don't do that.
Now it's time to cut the fruit.
Now it is time to cut the fruit.
Now it is time to cut the fruit. Cut the fruit. Okay, for real this time.
I'm trying! It's just you're making me laugh!
Sure, here you are. Let's start from, then you will take your fruit.
Sorry, okay.
What? What am I doing? What am I doing to you that will distract you so much?
Okay.
With some of the bigger fruits, you're going to want to cut them. Like, say, if I wanted to do a strawberry, I would put it on my cutting board and I would cut them into
No, you
slices.
wouldn't cut it that way.
Yeah, I would.
You cut it into fourths.
Oh.
If we don't notice,
We look up.
when we don't look up.
No, stop being
Never.
negative. Said I would never make it.
Yes, I will.
Okay, shush. But I would dream up and chase it is my own. So I sing a song for the. You gotta sing.
So I sing a song for the hustlers, trading at the bus stop. Single mothers waiting on a check to come, young teachers, student doctors. The sun's on the right, but I know they don't get to run.
This is a pro.
This goes out to the underdog. Keep on keeping on what you love. You'll find that someday, soon enough, gonna rise up, yeah. Woo! Everybody rise up! Hey!
Okay, come on. Talking to the all about is my finish children. Fruit Loops. Supported by Fruit Loops.
It's so
Okay.
tall. It's
No.
right in front of me.
I know, but that's not in the middle. So why don't we put it over
Put it in the middle.
here?
Okay.
And we put the donuts over here.
And then move everything back. Taxi back to the kitchen, talking of everybody.
Stop.
Finished children.
Stop.
Okay. It's my turn to speak.
You just decided.
I know.
Okay, and the next thing you're going to... Oh, we forgot the dumb toothpicks.
Okay. Next, we will be making this really cute, really sweet, and really tasty, cute. I already said cute. No, don't take any orange. I need orange. I need one more orange.
Too bad. You can grab an orange from the... No! No! That is unlogical!
Why is he using green?
Because it... Oh. No! My plan was spoiled! Ugh, I'm so sad.
You can put in another toothpick.
No, I can't, because we said 5. It's okay.
Also,
We
I
don't
said
need green.
I
So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your delicious frosting. I don't know why I said that.
delicious. Good. Oh, ow.
Oh no. Stick.
Stick. I don't even know what song that
What
is.
song is that? Okay.
Is it the Good Place song?
No.
Oh, it's Jeopardy.
Yeah. Like
What are you doing?
getting the waddle thing?
Also, close it.
Well.
You're doing a bad job closing things.
Okay.
No, put it to the side like it was.
All natural.
I'm talking now. Okay? I'm talking now. No, I say it.
I like how we both did. I did a weird face. We're like, wax on, wax off. What are you doing?
You will only know that if you watch Karate Kid.
Yeah, I don't even remember.
Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax